And from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to the main CJ dashboard where we are going to start accessing all the dropshipping products. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see all these things, different products to work with, different products to choose from, and, really fun stuff that you can add for your design. So it's all these things that are going to allow you to start working with your dropshipping maneuvers. So once we're over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with a few products like this. Let's go with a Night Galaxy projector. Once we go with that, you're going to go with this, okay? It's a DIY stainless steel flask. And then let's go with some heated men's puffer jackets. So I'm going to load all three of these in. And once we load all three of these in, we're going to scroll down here. And as you scroll down, it's going to, take you into loading. So I'm just going to wait for it to do that. And once it's loaded in, what you're going to do from here is you're simply going to click on list. And once you click on list, it's going to bring you here. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and enter your store name. You're going to tell them where it's shipped from, where it's shipped to.